viewers, welcome to Tech. My name is Farooq Ahmed and this video basis is only information purpose. I'm not giving you any financial advice in this video. If you want to invest in cryptocurrency, you must complete research. After that, you will do this. So viewers, this video is going to be very interesting for you. If you want to get more information about cryptocurrency, you must watch this video till end. And also subscribe my channel, like my video, share with your friend, and must press the icon button because this is a necessity for you. So let's go over laptop screen.
So viewer, in this video I'm giving you information invalid mnemonic phrases error because sometimes you need to recover or restore your wallet with your 12-word phrases, and when you want to add your 12-word phrase in trust wallet, so you will show your message invalid mnemonic phrases error. So you must watch this video till end. This video is going to be very informative for you. In this video I'm giving you information how can you check the error of your numeric phrases. So first of all, please subscribe my channel. My channel name is Crypto Wallets Info, and also press the bell icon button. You can also visit my website. My website name is cryptowalletsinfo.com. So now I'm going to open my trust wallets, and today I'm going to enter wrong numeric phrases for the recover my wallet or restore my wallet. So must check this video till end. You can see here the trust wallet is I have installed freshly in my system. Now you can see here there's two options, create a new wallet and I already have a wallet. So I have a 12 phrases, so I'm just going to click on I already have a wallet, and there is multi-coin wallet. So I have 12 phrases, so just click on it. When I click on it, so you can see here import multi-coin wallets. All of your cryptocurrency balance are encrypted with the 12-word recovery phrases. The recovery phrases is the master key of your all assets. All private keys are divided from that 12-word recovery phrases. So now I'm going to copy my 12-word phrases. You can see here this is my 12-word phrases. So let's suppose I'm going to enter wrong 12-word phrases. Just I am remove one white space from my 12 phrases. So just going to copy and paste here. Just going to click on import. So you can see here invalid mnemonic phrases. First thing is that you must check the white space with your 12 phrases. I'm just going to click the white space. You can see here there's my numeric phrases correct. I'm also cross check I have entered correctly or not. You can see here I properly enter white space with my 12 phrases. And now second is that you must check the spell, because if your spelling is wrong then you cannot import your wallet. So I am also going to check the my 12 phrases is it correct or not. Let's suppose my 12 phrase is not correct, so I just remove S and just copy and again paste here my 12 phrases. So when will shown the message, you can see here I remove the S, means my 12 phrase is not correct. I'm just click on import. So you can see here the same problem, invalid mnemonic phrases. So how can I check the error? So there's two ways. The first way is that just copy your all mnemonic phrases or just one by one copy. So now I'm going to open the link of word list to try to find your word. They must be there. If not, then look for the misspell in search word. So first of all, I'm going to check the word is available or not, because sometimes we was the take the backwise wrongly. Just copy this link. I will also share this link in my description. So just copy and open browser. Simple as that. And just paste here and enter. So you can see here word list is open front of me. I hope all words is available here. So now I'm going to check spell of my all word is correct or not. First I'm going to copy first phrases and just control F and paste here. You can see here the first word is correct. I'm also check second, then third. So just paste here. So my second word is also okay, means is the correct. Now going to third word, copy and paste here. You can check by one by visit is also correct. Number 4 is that just copy and paste here. Number 4 is correct. 5 number is card. Just copy and paste here. So card is already available here, means my fifth phrase is correct. Now I'm going to click on copy 6 number, enter. This is also available, means my 6 number phrase is also correct. Now going to copy 7 number phrases, just copy and paste here. This will also correct. Copy and paste here. This is also correct. Just copy and paste here. Teach also available here. Only 3 words left. So I want to search where I have mistake, spelling mistake of my 12 word phrases. This is also available is correct. The profit, just copy and paste here. It's also available. So let's suppose my last word is available. So I'm just going to copy and paste here and enter. You can see here viewers, my in cross 12 word phrases, the last word is missing S, means when I have backup in my notepad file, so I miss the last word of my 12 word phrases. So now I'm going to enter S, and now I'm just going to copy and going to import my trust wallet, paste here, and I have correctly entered my 12 phrases with white space, just import. Now wallet is importing. So I hope you understand how can spell check of your 12 word phrases and must check space, white space on your all 12 word phrases. So one thing's more, I'm going to tell you about it. Let's suppose which word is wrong. If you want to check which word is wrong in your 12 word phrases, this is also so simple. Like this is desk, so I'm going to enter T. So just copy all 12 phrases. First copy this link. I will also share this link in my description video. So just going to the browser. I'm going to open browser and paste here. So viewers, keep in your mind when you are going to use this website, so must disconnect your internet. This is necessary for you. You can also read the caution of this website here. So I'm going to paste here my 12 phrases, and let's suppose I have disconnect my internet. I'm going to copy my 12 phrases. You can see here I enter wrong word here. This word is desk, but I enter the T. Just copy my all 12 phrases from my notepad file and paste here. So you can see here DEST not in word list. Do you means the destroy? So system is asking me, I'm going to trying to enter destroy or dest. So desk is wrong word, so I'm going to correct that T to A. Now you can see here the collecting data means my 12 refresh is 100% correct. And let's suppose again I'm going to remove the S from my cross, and you can see here cross not is word list. Means here you can also check your 12 refreshes which word is wrong in your 12 refreshes. You can check easily from this website, but keep in your mind you must disconnect your internet, after that you can use it. So I hope you understand all about error of invalid mnemonic phrases. So if you get any information from this video, so please subscribe my channel. My channel name is Crypto Wallets Info, and also press the bell icon button. You can also visit my website. My website name is cryptowalletsinfo.com. You can get the information about Bitcoin, Dogecoin, Tron, Ethereum, Ripple. And if you're going to click on Altcoin, you can see here many wallets available review here. You can just go to the click on it and get the information about the all these wallets. So meet with you in new video. Bye bye.